So I'm here at this new spot. Never been here before. It took me about an hour and 10 minutes to get here. Sunny, as you can see. Lovely day, but really windy. Really windy. Put the wing up, the little 600mm mini AR wing. It managed to penetrate the wind okay. I did not have a lot of elevator authority at all. So I thought I'll turn it round, bring it back. And as I turned it round, it just disappeared off into a rapeseed crop, tall crop. I've been over there, can't see it. Thankfully I've brought my Mavic today. Now yes, it is windy, the Mavic might struggle, but it should give me an overhead view of the crop. Fingers crossed I can find the wing. So this is the field it's in. It's in there somewhere. So it's got to be here somewhere. I was just parked around about here, so I've come up here. I'm actually getting something in the goggles now. Stronger signals around about here, so I'm gonna get the Mavic up and see if I can see anything. Well, I got it back, as you can see. I was looking in the tall stuff, and it had actually gone past. So yeah, here it is. It's actually fine. These are the bit. The prop's okay. Bit of muck on here. That's had a bit of a crack. That's had a bit of a crack on the front end. Yeah, everything's okay. Everything seems okay. Control surfaces. Yeah,